Today we will discuss about complex number. Next topic, complex plane, conjugate and modulus of complex number, and operation of complex number. Let's see about the complex plane. A complex number can be plotted on a plane with two perpendicular coordinate axes. The horizontal x-axis called the real axis. The vertical y-axis is called imaginary axis. Here in this figure, OX is the x-axis, it is called a real axis. OY is called y-axis and it is also called imaginary axis. Here we plot the point x comma y, that x comma y is represented as z is equal to x plus iy in the a complex number. This plane is called xy plane and it is known as complex plane. So from this graph we can also say that the complex number convert our visualization into the physical things. Conjugate of a complex number. The complex conjugate of a complex number z is equal to x plus iy denoted by z bar and is given by z bar is equal to x minus iy. Z is equal to x plus iy, then conjugate is z bar is equal to x minus iy. Here plus sign, in the conjugate we take opposite sign minus. If here it is minus, then we in the conjugate term we will take here plus sign. Modulus or absolute value defined by modulus of a complex number. If z is equal to x plus iy, then modulus of complex number modulus z is equal to under root x square plus y square. Let's see in this figure. Here in the first quadrant the point z is xy, z is equal to x plus iy. Here x and y both are positive, so this point is represented in first quadrant. Z bar is equal to z x minus iy. Here x is positive and y is negative, so this point is represented in fourth point. So in this way we can represent the complex number and the conjugate of a complex number. Modulus is the distance between these 2 points O and here the point xy. So distance between these 2 points is given by modulus z is equal to under root x square plus y square. Let's see some example. Find conjugate of complex number and also find modulus of a complex number. If z is equal to 3 plus 2y, then we want to find this both. Z is equal to 3 plus 2y, so z bar is 3 minus 2y. Here we change the sign, plus, here minus. Now z is equal to 3 plus 2y, here x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. So what is the formula for the modulus of complex number? Modulus z is equal to under root x square plus y square. The value of x is 3 and y is 2. So it is 3 square plus 2 square under root 9 plus 4. So modulus z is under root 13. Next example. Z is equal to 3 minus under root 2y. So z bar is 3 plus under root 2y. Here minus sign is given. So in the conjugate term we replace the sign, minus in place of plus in place of minus. Now z is equal to 3 minus under root 2y. So x is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus under root 2. Modulus z is under root x square plus y square. The value of x is 3. So it is 3 square. Value of y is minus under root 2. Minus under root 2 square. 3 square is 9. Minus square plus under root 2 square. 2. 9 plus 2. It is under root 11. Let's see about the equal complex number. Equality of complex number. Two complex number are equal if the real parts are equal and their imaginary parts are equal. Only then we can say that two complex number are equal. So if a plus bi is equal to c plus di. Here two complex number are given and equal to sign is given, so it must, the real part is equal, so we can say a is equal to c, and imaginary part is equal, so bi is equal to di, so b is equal to d. Let's see the operation for the complex number. Addition of complex number. A plus bi plus c plus di, two complex number, one is a plus bi and another is c plus di. We are going to add. So as per our addition rule, we open the bracket, so it is a plus bi plus c plus di, a plus c plus bi plus di. Add the real number a plus c and add the imaginary number bi plus di, so it is I is common, I bracket b plus d. Let's see one example. 2 plus 3i plus 1 plus 5i. So first we open the bracket, 2 plus 3i plus 1 plus 5i. Add the real number 2 plus 1 plus add the imaginary number 3i plus 5i. 2 plus 1 is 3, 3i plus 5i is 8i. Subtraction of a complex number, a plus bi minus c plus di. So first we open the bracket, a plus bi minus c, so here minus, so when we open the bracket, this plus is converted into minus, so minus di. Again add the real number a minus c plus add the imaginary number bi minus di. So a minus c plus I is common, b minus d. Let's see one example. 2 plus 3i minus 1 plus 5i. Open the bracket, 2 plus 3i minus 1 minus plus minus 5i. Add the real number 2 minus 1 plus add the imaginary number 3i minus 5i. 2 minus 1 is 1, 2i minus 5i is minus 2i, so minus plus minus, so it is 1 minus 2i. Multiplication of a complex number. Let a plus bi and c plus di be complex number, then multiply the binomials, and in the second step convert I square to minus 1 and add the like terms. Means if a plus bi into c plus di, then a is multiplied with this both term, a into c and a into di, then bi into c and bi into di, so we get ac into ac minus bd plus ad plus bc into I. Let's see one example so you can clear about the process of multiplication. 3 plus 2i into 4 plus 5i is equal to 3 is multiplied with this both term, so 3 into 4 plus 3 into 5i, here 3 into 5i plus, now 2i is multiplying with this both term, so 2i into 4 plus 2i into 5i, here 2i into 5i. Now we simplify this term, 4 into 3 is 12, 3 into 5i is 15i, 2i into 4 is 8i, 2i into 5i, so 2 into 5 is 10 and I into I is I square, so it is 10i square. 12 as it is, we add the imaginary number 15i plus 8i, it is 23i. Here it is I square, so we know that I square is minus 1, so 10 into I square, so I square is minus 1, it can be written 10 into minus 1 minus 10, so simplification of 10i square is minus 10. Now add this real number, 12 minus 10 is 2, so it is 2 plus 23i. Very important, division of a complex number. A plus bi upon c plus di. When we have the complex number in a division form, then to simplify, multiply with the conjugate term of denominator in numerator and in the denominator. Multiply numerator and denominator of the fractional by the complex conjugate of the denominator. C plus di is the given complex number in the denominator. So what is the conjugate term of C plus di? It is C minus di. So we multiply C minus di in numerator and in denominator. See here, a plus bi upon C plus di. We multiply the conjugate term of C plus di is C minus di. So we multiply here C minus di upon C minus di. So now in the denominator we apply our multiplication process. A into C, A into minus di. So it is minus ADI. Now bi into C, so plus BCI, plus and minus, so here sign is minus. B into D, BD, I into I square, BDI square. In the denominator we have a plus b into a minus b form, so we can write a square minus b square. A is c, so c square minus sign, b is di, it is di square. A plus ba minus b is a square minus b square, so c plus di into c minus di is c square minus id square. Now c square minus id square, when we square taking in this term, so I square is minus 1, so minus minus plus, so it is c square plus d square. So we add the real term. Here I square is minus 1, so minus minus plus, so AC plus BD, real number addition of imaginary number. I is common, so it is BC is positive sum, so we write first BC minus AD, I is common, divide by, it is c square minus id square, is can be written c square plus d square, so c square plus d square. Let's see one example. 6 minus 7i upon 1 minus 2y. So here the complex number are given in division, so we have to multiply with the conjugate term of the denominator. 1 minus 2y is the complex number, its conjugate term is 1 plus 2y, so this fraction we have to multiply with 1 plus 2y. 6 minus 7i upon 1 minus 2y, multiply with the conjugate term of 1 minus 2y is 1 plus 2y, so 1 plus 2y upon 1 plus 2y. Now take the process of multiplication. 6 into 1 is 6, 6 into 2i is 12i, minus 7i into 1 is minus 7i, minus 7i into plus 2i is minus 14i square. In the denominator we have a minus ba plus b, so it can be written a square minus b square. A square is 1 square, plus we are taking direct plus here because I into I square, and I square is minus 1, so we direct write plus 2 into 2 square is 4, so it is 6 plus 14. I square is minus 1, minus minus plus, 6 plus 14. 12i minus 7i is 5i upon 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4. Now add this real number. 14 plus 6 is 20 plus 5y, 4 plus 1 is 5. Divide this number in the both term, so it can be written 20 by 5 plus 5y by 5. 5 cancel and 5 into 4, so we have 4 plus I. Thank you.